excited because I got, you know what you see here? Nintendo Switch 2 on the very first day it came.
Where did you get it?
Where?
Best Buy.
I got it from Best Buy. And also, you see here I got the Mario Kart World bundle.
Do you want to open it now?
I've been waiting for months for this.
Yeah.
Just months.
Let's open it.
Let's start opening. Sorry for the major talking, but here we go. Like Mario says.
Open it.
You can't do this.
Okay, I'll pull this out.
See what's inside the box. Oh, this way.
And whoa. Console, another console, and screen. What? Whoa. Wait, look.
Do you want to wrap it?
Yeah, let's do. Let's. Oh, here's the accessories we need.
You want to show the accessories too?
No, I want to wrap them. First thing we have to be good of.
This is the game?
Yes, again. Is we have to be aware because we just have to take out the screen. Way bigger than I expected. Way bigger than my normal Nintendo Switch. And I guess so. I guess we can work this. I guess we can work this out, maybe.
Oh, it's magnet.
And this time we actually need this back button. And here's the other one. Oh, here's one of the accessories we'll never have. We won't have to forget. And these strips that I can also connect. We have them on my Nintendo, but I usually don't use them. Let's see. Wait, what? How do these work? Okay, we have more stuff to unbox. I wonder what is... Just kidding, of course I didn't wonder. This, of course I didn't wonder what was in this. This magnet is strong.
You want to connect both consoles?
Sure I will. Sure. Why not? What?
Here, Mom.
What? Oh. I've been waiting. I never knew the back buttons would be so different.
So let's connect it to the Nintendo Switch 2 and I'll turn it on.
Stop, I want to do it.
Okay.
I don't want to do one outside the video. I just want to see what it looks like.
Okay. So we want to connect it to this one?
Wait, and look how different it is from normal Nintendo Switch. This is my normal Nintendo Switch. This is my Nintendo Switch 2 I just unboxed. Look how big the screen is from an OLED Nintendo Switch. We already know what's in here.
Connect this one to this one, see how big it is. And let's compare it to the previous one. Yay, look how big it is.
Even bigger than I expected, but okay. No, I don't want to.
Okay. Okay, now do you want to say bye?
Bye-bye.